Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great. So I thought I should upload another video of the 777 because I have a ton of footage. You guys have only seen 3 flights of it, which were short flights. Of course, we flew the plane a lot after that, and we captured some amazing flights and landings, and so I thought I'll make another video. By the way, the Global 7500 is almost done, and we're gonna publish the maiden flight video hopefully in 2 weeks. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys enjoy the footage.
Oh yeah.